Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sadiq. Today we'll be diving into an exciting topic, how to learn fashion designing from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a complete beginner or you are looking to sharpen your skill, this video is for you. So kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started into the video. First thing first, let's talk about why learning fashion designing from the comfort of your own home is a fantastic idea. Not only does this give you the flexibility to learn at your own pace, it also allows you to explore your own style without any pressure. Plus, with many resources available online, you can be in the comfort of your own home and access top-notch educational content for free.
Step 1. Gather your own resources to start with. Some basic tools are needed. Tools like pencil, a sketchbook, a marker, a colored marker is also important. Get a ruler, a tape measure, a pair of scissors, sewing machine, and a very good internet connection is needed, just to mention few. There are many websites that offer free and paid courses, websites like Coursera, Udemy, and even on YouTube, there are some fantastic courses. I'll link some of my favorites in the description below. Step 2. Learn the basics. Begin with the fundamentals. Learn about different types of fabrics, color theory, and basic sketching techniques. Understanding these basics will give you a very solid foundation to begin with, and there are great books and online resources that can help you with this. Step 3. Practice sketching. Sketching is a very crucial skill for every fashion designer. Start by designing a very simple designs and gradually move to more complex ones. Practice regularly, because everyday practice makes you perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, because every fashion designer you know today started as a beginner.
Step 4. Experiment with fabrics. Once you are comfortable with sketching, it is time to experiment with fabrics. Visit local fabric stores, or you can order fabrics online. Try by creating simple designs just to understand how different fabric works. This hand-on experience is invaluable. Step 5. Learn digital tools. In today's digital age, knowing how to use designing software is a must. Programs like Adobe Illustrator, Color 3D are industry standards. There are plenty of free tutorials on how to get started. Learning how to use this designing software will help you create high-quality professional-looking designs. 6. Create your own collection. Now that you have mastered the basics, experimented with fabrics, practice sketching, and you've also mastered digital designing too, it is time to create your own collection. Start with a theme or inspiration. Design some few pieces that reflect your own unique style. This is where you can let your own creativity to shine. And there you have it. We've come to the end of this video, a step-by-step guide on how to learn fashion designing from the comfort of your own home. Remember, the key is to stay curious. Never stop learning and keep on practicing every day. So if you find value in this video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, give it a like, drop a comment, share it to your friend, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.